Welcome back student. I am Mrs. Harsha Zope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. Today we are going to study practical number 4, that is program to draw a circle. Practical outcomes of this video are, after watching this video you will be able to know about write a program to draw circle. Till now we have studied 3 practicals. In first practical it was a simple program to draw the graphic object using built-in C functions. We have studied there how to draw pixel, lines, circle and rectangle and ellipse. In second practical, we have implemented a program to draw a line using DDA algorithm. In third practical, we have implemented a line or we have drawn a line using Bresenham's algorithm. In today's practical, we are studying Bresenham's algorithm to draw a circle. It is not easy to display a continuous smooth arc on the computer screen, as our computer screen is made of pixels organized in matrix form. So, to draw a circle on a computer screen, we should always choose the nearest pixel from a printed pixel so as they could form an arc. There are two popular algorithms for generating a circle. First is Bresenham's algorithm and second is midpoint circle algorithm. These algorithms are based on the idea of determining the subsequent points required to draw the circle. Minimum theoretical background to implement this program or to implement this practical is that you should know symmetry of circle. We know the equation of circle is x square plus y square equals to r square, where x and y are coordinates of a center and r is radius of the circle. To draw a circle in computer graphics, we use Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm and midpoint circle drawing algorithm. On a screen, you can see symmetry of a circle. Bresenham's circle algorithm is based on the idea of determining the subsequent pixels required to draw the circle. X plus y comma y is to find the next pixel to draw the circle. In theory lecture, we have studied in detail Bresenham's circle generating algorithm. Before watching the next video, you are suggested to watch the Bresenham circle generating algorithm which I taught in your theory lecture. Just get revised for that algorithm. In this algorithm, our step 1 is read the radius of circle r. Okay, we have to take the value of radius of circle from user and we are taking the value as r. Second step is set decision parameter, where value of d is, it is calculated as d equals to 3 minus 2r. Step 3 is, in Bresenham circle generating algorithm, x is equal to 0 and y equals to r. Always you have to remember, in this algorithm, x equals to 0 and y equals to r at the initial stage. Our step 4 is, we have to perform this operation, plot x comma y in first while printing a first point, this plot x comma y means in your program you will use put pixel. While put pixel means it will print a particular pixel. While printing x comma y at the initial stage, the value of x will be 0 and the value of y will be r, whatever the value entered by the user. If the value of d is less than 0, then this particular loop will execute. Okay, the value of d, it will be taken from your step number 2, and if value of d is greater than or equals to 0, then this loop will be executed. The next, you have to plot 8 points, each point in one octant. Already I have explained you the symmetry of circle. What do you mean by that particular octant? Then let's execute Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm. Okay, these three are the header files. Hash include stereo.h, hash include conio.h and hash include graphics.h. The next is your main function. In this main function, first I have declared int xc comma yc. These are the coordinate of circle. X comma xc and yc are the coordinates of circle. R is the radius of circle. This xc, yc and r, these values we are taking from the user and already we have seen in algorithm. This p, it is your decision parameter. xy are the initial values of a particular circle coordinates. Then next we are declaring integer gd comma gm. This gd and gm, that is the graphics driver and graphics mode. Then detect graph ampersand gd comma ampersand gm semicolon init graph ampersand gd comma ampersand gm comma inside the double quote you have to write the path c colon backslash turbo c3 bgi. You have to remember these 3 lines for your CG program. I have told you already. Okay. Why this detect graph and init graph is used? Because by default our system is in text mode. Then to convert the text mode into graphics mode. Why we are converting the text mode to graphics mode? Because we want to draw the images. We are using the GD and GM, that is the graphics driver and graphics mode. Okay. Then next you are taking the value of xc and yc from user. So you have written here printf in round bracket enter coordinates. That are the coordinates of center of a circle which you want to draw. Then we are scanning scanf in round bracket double quote %d comma ampersand xc comma ampersand yc. Whatever the value user enter here, it will be stored as a xc and yc, where xc and yc are the coordinates of center of a circle. Then next we are taking the radius of circle from user. Printf in round bracket inside the double quote we are writing enter radius. Then scanf in double quote %d comma ampersand r. Whatever the radius entered by user, it will be stored in a variable r. Then according to our algorithm, our next step is initialize x equals to 0 and y equals to r. Y equals to r, that is the value of y, it will be initialized as a value of r, that is we are taking from user. Then in next step we are calculating the decision parameter. In next step, in this step we are calculating the decision parameter, that is p equal to 3 minus 2r. the value of P. If P is less than 0, then this will execute, that is value of P will be set as P equals to P plus 4 into X plus 6, where the new value of P will be set like this. In this equation, the value of P, it will be taken from this step. Okay, and X already we have declared X equals to 0. Else, if value of P is not less than 0, then Y will be set as Y minus 1 and value of P will be set as P equals to P plus 4 into X minus Y plus 10. And then close the bracket for else loop. Okay. Then next we have to use the put pixel, that is to plot the particular pixel. We have seen in the symmetry of the circle, while studying the symmetry of circle, that why these points are taken. Here we are printing that points in each octant. So we have used here put pixel xc plus x comma yc minus y comma white color, means that particular pixel will be white. Here the xc and yc, that value of xc and yc will be taken from this user entered value, that whatever the value of xc and yc will be taken from the user, it will be entered, and plus x and y, value of x and y, initially it will be 0 and r. Then we are performing this point printing in every octant. So we have used this put pixel xc minus x comma yc minus y comma white color, and then put pixel xc plus x comma yc plus y. Likewise, in every octant the particular pixel will be printed, and then close the bracket for loop. This is your for loop, and what is this for loop? It is starting from x equals to 0. At the starting, to execute this, to calculate the value of P, you need x, and what will be the value of x? First it will be x equal to 0, and till how it will calculate this particular operation? Till x is less than or equals to y, means till x is less than or equals to y, that is x is less than or equals to r, this loop will be continue, and whatever the value of x and y we got, it will be printed here or it will be taken here, and that accordingly the particular point will be plotted. Then let's see the execution part of this algorithm. First, enter coordinates. We are entering the coordinates of center of a circle. I have entered 100, 200, that is xc and yc. That is the value of xc and yc. And then next, it is asking to enter the radius. Enter radius. I will enter 200, and you can see that particular circle, it is going out of the boundary. So again we will execute it. Enter coordinates 100, 200, and radius we will put 70. and you can see that the particular circle is drawn using the Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm. Thank you for watching this video.